Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in Teams chat. So to start, go ahead and open Teams on your computer or on the web. Then once you're in, so sign into your account, and once you're in, on the left sidebar, click chat. So click the chat button. So once you're here, go to the chat where you want to mention someone. So open that chat. Now in the message box at the bottom, so you can type the at symbol. So press shift plus at, then start typing the person's name, or you can select from the suggestions. So once you select that person's name, so as you type, a list of matching contacts will appear. Then just click or tap the correct person's name from the list, and their name will be added to your message as I mentioned. So just like what you're seeing right now. So finish typing your message. Then press enter or click this R right here to submit or send the message. So the person you mentioned will receive a notification, making it more likely they'll see your message quickly.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
You can also mention multiple people in the same message by repeating the at symbol. So again, press shift plus at and select each person's name. Make sure you press the space or the space bar. So click shift plus at symbol. So space, shift plus at, select a person's name. Then you can type in your message from here and click send. And that's it. So that's all there is to it. So that's how you can mention someone in Microsoft Teams chat. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.